Hi, fifth grade, it's science time. We're going to talk about the process used to make a science fair project, and my name is Olivia Strode. What is a science fair? Students present an experiment and the results in forms of a report, a display board, or a model that they have created. The benefits of a science fair. A science fair integrates almost every skill children have been taught, develops a feeling of confidence and competence among students. It fosters a spirit of science inquiry. It can be challenging and self-validating, and the students are always learning something new. Okay, step one of the process of a science fair project. First, the student needs to pick an area of focus for their project. These areas of focus include biological, physical, behavioral, and math and computers. So whichever one the student is interested in, I would have them choose that one. Step 2. The student needs to figure out a title or the problem that he is trying to find out. It should be in the form of a question. And then step 3 would be the student's hypothesis. They should state their hypothesis and then offer a reasoning to their hypothesis. Step 4. Experimental design and rationale. Students should clearly explain how the experiment will answer their question that they have in their project, and then they will test the accuracy of the hypothesis that they have posed. There are 4 procedures for this step 5, and they should have each of these procedures in their project. Are the procedures for the experiment clearly described? Are the procedures appropriate for the question and hypothesis posed? Are the methods defined step by step? Is there control in the student's experiment? Step 6, effort. You always want your students to put all their effort that they can into their projects. So, does the experiment require a technique? Does the student have that technique down in their project? And then, does the experiment require a skill and what that skill is? Step 7, observations. Does the student collect his or her own data? You always want them to collect their own data and have their proof of their data. Has the student used a sense of sight, hearing, touch, smell in a manner that is related to the project's problem or question? Step 8, conclusions. Are the student's own observations and data used to reach their conclusions? Does the student's data support the student's conclusions that are drawn? You want them to have all of their conclusions and data to match each other in their project. Step 9, the presentation of the project. The experiment should be neatly, logically, and attractively presented on the display board, or it could be their model. Are the pictures and drawings used to enhance the display board? Are graphic organized used effectively, like their graphs, diagrams, charts, tables, anything like that? Is the written material legible? So you want to make sure that anything written in their project is legible for people to read. Is outside help acknowledged? They need to have their resources listed, their works cited. Is there a bibliography? Was the hypothesis or question verified? And then is the summary report included? And then the credits. I am the creator, Olivia Strode. I used PowerPoint and I took my pictures from Google Images and inserted them into the PowerPoint. And you could use this grade level from 5th to 7th grade. You can make it a little more challenging once you get to 7th grade, but that is my video.